Hey guys, it's me, Brandy. I just wanted to do this look with you using those Adept singles that I swatched not that long ago. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Morning guys. So I am going to do a look with my Adept singles today with you. This is something that I promised y'all that I would be doing fairly soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into that. I'm not 100% sure which singles I'm gonna use. I've looked at my palettes and they're just gorgeous, so it's gonna have to be, I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do. So maybe I'll use the blues, maybe I'll use the warmer tones, but either way, it's gonna be a journey. So let's get started. So I've got my Anastasia primer. This is gonna be the first time I'm using these on my eyes, so I'm excited for that. And then hopefully, that swatch video I did where I had the swatches everywhere with these. Alright, my eyes are primed. I'm ready to go. I'm going to use my faithful brush. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go use this purple here. Let's try it. Good pigmentation. It laid down nicely. Maybe I'll do, should I try to do like a halo eye today? It's been a long time since I did a halo eye. Let's try that. So we've got I'm gonna put it on the inner and outer corners. And then I'm going to use a different brush. Let's use this Luxie. I think it has green shadow on it from the last time I used it. And then I'm going to use this shimmer here. I'm going to spray that shimmer. I do my halo eyes a little bit differently than other people. I kind of take the color all the way up. Okay, so now the hard part. smaller. I think I'm gonna use this white one here. I'm gonna get that wet. I'm going to deepen that outer corner up a bit. I'm going to this brown color here on the corner. I'm going to use that, maybe I'll use a different brush. I'm going to take that first brush, kind of blend out that darker color. I'm going to go back into that purple shade. And kind of just lightly go over those edges, like really, really, really lightly. And I think I'm gonna go into an even lighter, like skin tone color that's in the other palette. Maybe like this one here. I'm just gonna put that on the outer portion. Like that. I have not done a halo eye in a minute, so I'm gonna go back into that middle halo color. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Just because even on a halo eye, I always do my inner corner. Go into this darker purple shimmer right here. It's like a satin. And that is going to go on my lower lash. And do it on the other side. Carry that diamond shade into the underneath right here. I'm going to kind of open up the eye a little bit. I'm going to do my do my waterline, and I just need to find the color I want. What's this? Best Q? A color pop? Alright, be right back. I'm going to do my mascara, eyebrows, highlight. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. Let me know what you think down below. And then of course, as always, if you could follow me over on Instagram and subscribe and like this video, I would appreciate it. And thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.